Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my online classes this week, one student got talking about a recent winter break she'd taken. And she was quite excited because it was the first time her son had ever been skiing. This student of mine was a keen skier and snowboarder herself. And so she was quite keen for her 5-year-old to follow in her footsteps and kind of join in something that the whole family loved doing. As she was talking about all of this, I was reminded of a time a few years ago when I went to the north of Finland for a winter holiday with my family, and I tried skiing for the first and only time. The main thing I learned personally is that you can't teach an old dog new tricks. I'm simply just not cut out for skiing. I tried, I kept falling over and hurting myself and getting cold and miserable, and basically the experience really put me off. My son, however, was a completely different story. No sooner had he strapped the skis onto his little feet than off he went like a natural. He was really good at it and really enjoyed it, which is, I guess, proof of the benefits of starting early at things. My son took to skiing like a duck to water. If you take to something like a duck to water, you discover when you first start to do it that you have some kind of natural talent. For example, for me, back when I was 23, 24 and I first started teaching, I fell in love with the job almost from day one. Basically, I took to it like a duck to water. Other people, maybe, if they're lucky, when they have their first child, they may take to parenthood, take to motherhood, take to fatherhood, like a duck to water. They may realise they're a natural, they've got this natural gift, this natural talent that suddenly flowers as soon as they start doing this new thing. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, the thumbs up sign. Please share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use take to it like a duck to water.